Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about another type of ad format, which is going to be event ads. Event ads is another type of ad format which you will get on the LinkedIn ads platform. The purpose of this ad format is to advertise about a specific event which you're planning to conduct. So let's say there is an online event which you're planning to conduct and you want people to join that event. That is when we can run this particular ad format. It will advertise about that event and we can target our particular target users, members of the LinkedIn network, and show this ad on their feeds. So people will get to know about our event, which is happening. And if anybody is interested, can join the event, can attend the event. And people who join the event, who check out our event, we can reach out to them with our products and services. So that's the idea of an events ad. This can be really useful. You can also get a lot of remarketing data from events ad, people who checked out your events. So you can get that data as well later on. And you can reach out to them, follow them with your ads to entice them to check out your products and services once again. And maybe they can go forward and do business with you. So that's the idea of an event ads where we are advertising, we are marketing an online event which we are planning to conduct, and we are targeting our customers and expecting them to join that event in which we are going to explain about our products and services, and we are able to sell those to our audiences. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand now how events ads are going to be. We will be seeing how we can create this ad format as well in the upcoming videos in the form of a campaign. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next week.